Hey guys, I'm Pablo.
And I'm Sam, and in this episode of Mattressology, we're gonna answer the question, when should I replace my mattress? A mattress is meant to do one thing, give you a good night's sleep. So if you're waking up rested and refreshed, then the mattress is doing the job. Doesn't matter if it's been 1 year or 20 years since you've had your mattress. But if not, here are 3 things to look for.
So number 1 is comfort. As I've said in many of our other videos, comfort is king when looking for a new mattress. If you're tossing and turning, trying to get comfortable, then your mattress is not giving you the comfort you need. So if you're not comfortable in your mattress, it's time to get a new mattress.
Number 2, biggest telltale sign you need a new mattress is the sagginess of the mattress. So if your mattress is sagging more than 1.5 inches, you got a saggy mattress problem. If you wake up in the morning and it looks like there's a ghost still laying there, it's time to get a new mattress.
Sign number 3 that you need a new mattress is back support. We all need our mattress to support our back and keep our spine in line. You want to wake up feeling refreshed in the morning. So if you go to bed with your body feeling fine, but you wake up with aches and pains, then it's time to get a new mattress.
So if your mattress is not comfortable, you have a saggy mattress, or you're not getting proper back support, then from those 3 signs, we can tell it's time to get a new mattress. We hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.
And if you want more information on mattress shopping and mattress shopping tips, go to our website at mattressmakers.com and download our mattress shopping guide to make your mattress shopping journey easier.
I'm Sam.
And I'm Pablo.
And we're Mattress Makers.
So sleep well. Sign number 3 that you need a new mattress. What's so funny?
Nothing.
You started laughing.
I know, I started laughing, man.
Okay. Sign number 3 that... What, dude?
You just say, come on. All right.